things may be warming up a little bit here along coastal Delmarva, but they're also heating up in the studio because we've got our great
debate. Although I'm interested to see if we're on the same or different sides on this.
We actually might be.
I think we might be on the same.
I think we might be too, which I feel like is not typical of us.
No, and it worries me that maybe we're definitely wrong.
Are we wrong?
But we'll see.
We'll see. Let's dive into this. So when you are cooking a meal, let's say you've got a somewhat, not even necessarily an elaborate dinner, but let's say you got a protein, a carb, and a vegetable. So you got kind of three moving parts. As you're cooking, do you do the dishes while you cook so that when you're all done, it's pretty much just one rinse of the pan? Or do you hold everything off until the end? Charlie, what say you?
Who is doing the dishes while they cook? I'm not doing that. Now, granted, my broken brain works very linearly. Mm-hmm. So like step 1, step 2, step 3, dishes is the final step. I'm not like stopping while I'm doing the mashed potatoes and then cleaning off this other plate. Now maybe I'll like rinse it off a little bit and put it in the sink, but I'm not like cleaning the dishes as I go along. I am doing the meal first, eating the meal, then doing the dishes.
Ah, okay. See, I am also team wait till you're done cooking to do the dishes. And frankly, I'm even probably wait till you're done eating to do all of the dishes all at the same time. In our household, though, my man, he prefers to clean the dishes kind of as he goes. So like if something is like going into another part of the recipe, he will clean that pan while things kind of simmer and cook. And like, maybe I would do that, except for most of my stuff, I like to come out together at the end. So like the mashed potatoes
all out together, all hot at the same time, all ready to eat.
And then we eat, and then you clean, because everybody enjoys the kind of company together. But he likes to kind of do the dishes while dinner is like working its way to the table, but it's done. And that way, when we're done eating, all he has to do is wash a pot or a pan, or many pots and pans, because if I cook, he cleans, and I sometimes have like the whole kitchen. Also, and he's like, why are you like this?
Also, and again, this is telling on myself a little bit. I don't look far enough ahead into the recipe or into what we're doing to know, do I need to go back to this thing? I don't know. Like the
amount of recipes I've had to check from the trash can.
I'm literally paint by numbers on everything when it comes to cooking. I'm not, a chef by any means. I can do an okay job. Mm-hmm. I can even make some pretty good meals, but it is like, you do this, you do this, you do this. And then if it's like later, it's like, now go back to that first pan.
Yep.
If I've already cleaned it, then
you're
what?
Like, well, yeah. I will admit that I probably use a somewhat excessive amount of dishes or silverware in particular while I cook, because I've noticed, like, if I put them in the dishwasher while I'm cleaning, I'm like, why am I on my third fork? So I have dialed that back a little bit. I'm like, okay, this needs to be done. But as we are doing with our great debate, we want to hear from you. When you're cooking a meal, do you clean the dishes as you go, or do you wait till the end?
And I feel like we're either going to be big right or big wrong on this, but I don't think it's going to be 50-50.
I think I'm with you on that, but only you can tell us where we stand on this. So head to coastlife.com/vote, and we will recap all of this tomorrow. But coming up, speaking of sort of dinner time, cooking, if you don't want to worry about all that, we've got our dish of the week up next.